Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick little tutorial showing you guys how I made these cute little wreaths. I thought I made one last year, but maybe I didn't. Maybe I just did a project share. But these were super inspired by my friend Stephanie. She's a sweet, crafty girl. She had made these last year and I think they are adorable. I really want to find some pink garland to make some pink ones. I ran out of my gold, so I won't be making any gold ones today. This is the one we're going to be using. It's the red garland from Dollar Tree, and it comes packaged like this, and you get it in gold, silver, and red. I'm not sure they have it in green, but I only have the red one left over right now. So I just cut off a piece because when you're wrapping it up, you need to have an end, because if you keep it in the tub, it just gets, like, for me, it gets all knotted up. So you're going to need some small little stickers to decorate your wreaths. Some bows. I got the little mini ones. I ran out of these, which I loved so much. And then lastly, you're going to need some shower curtain little rings that you can find at any local dollar store, Walmart. And that's what we're going to use to make our mini wreaths. So let's get started. I'm going to try to bring down the focus so that I can have a seat and make these with you guys and hopefully stay in frame. Yep. So these are super easy, you guys, and I think they are super cute. And what I do is I add a little bit of glue just to start me off right there. Just my little starting point, and then you just want to adhere that down. And then you're going to work your way around. And why I say not to leave it on the spool is because when you're going around like that, it just gets knotted up, you guys. So I find it easier to just cut off a nice decent piece. This tends to cover pretty fast. And yeah, I'm going to, you guys can see how I kind of got this going. What I'm going to do is I'm going to speed through this so that you guys don't have to literally watch me go all the way around, because that's pretty boring. But you guys can see how it's just covering the whole ring. So I'm going to continue to go all the way around, and I'll come back and continue the little mini tutorial with you guys. Okay guys, and we're back, and as you can see, my little ring is fully covered with the garland. Whatever I have left over, I just put it right back in, not to waste it. Sure, I can use it in a different project. And then you just decorate your wreath, you guys. And I'm thinking that's too much red on red, so I'm going to grab my little bin here of bows and see if I can find, that might be cute, like a little sober bow. I'm more of a gold person, but I don't see any gold bows nearby. Hold on, let's see guys. Oh wait, well, I did find more of these, so I'm definitely gonna leave those out. I thought I didn't have any more. We can also do kind of like this one. Oh, I like that one better. Okay, so we're gonna do that bow. You just want to grab some glue to attach. I use hot glue. You guys know Hot glue is always my first choice. And then we have our bow. And then you just want to decorate it and add your little stickers. Let's see what we have here. I want to add a cute little Santa. Maybe like right there. How does that look? I don't want to glue it down just yet, just to see if, yeah, I might, or should I do, no, that's too big. So maybe like a little Santa, and I'm going to just put the little word jingle, and maybe like a little candy cane guy. Not candy, gingerbread guy. Okay, so let me put these here so that I can glue them down so they don't move anywhere. I'm going to add some hot glue. Put them right there. I'm going to add the little gingerbread guy right on this side. And I always like to have like a little sentiment. So we're going to put this one. It's a little wood veneer from the Falala, I think it is. And it just says jingle. And look how easy, you guys. Super cute. Little cute embellishment you can add in your Happy Mail for Christmas mail. Is that not adorable? And you can use any little mini garland that you have. And you can make a ton of these. Super quick and easy. Gold, pink, green, silver. But that is my quick tutorial, you guys. You guys were asking for it when I posted these on my Instagram. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.